Are you struggling to attract new leads to your business? Do you want to learn how to create a powerful lead magnet? In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process from start to finish. A lead magnet is a valuable offer you provide to potential customers in exchange for their contact information. It can be an ebook, a webinar, a checklist, or any other resource that solves a specific problem for your target audience. The first step in creating a lead magnet is to identify your target audience and their biggest pain points. Once you have a clear understanding of what your audience needs, you can start brainstorming ideas for your lead magnet. Remember, your lead magnet should be highly relevant and valuable to your ideal customers. Next, you'll need to create the content for your lead magnet. This could involve writing copy, designing graphics, or recording a video. Make sure the content is well crafted and visually appealing to grab your audience's attention. After creating the content, it's time to set up a landing page where visitors can download your lead magnet. Your landing page should be simple, with a clear call to action that prompts visitors to share their contact information. Don't forget to include a compelling headline and a brief description of the benefits of your lead magnet. To drive traffic to your landing page, consider promoting your lead magnet through social media, email marketing, or paid advertising. Monitor your results and make adjustments to optimize your lead magnet's performance. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a powerful lead magnet that attracts and converts new leads for your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your business.